In accordance with the K-12 system, grade 7 students will observe the moving up ceremony to be promoted to grade 8. This paves the way for the entire year to be productive for them. Currently, I am attending recognition of my son, Jazzy Alexandrina. And here we are. I am really hoping that K-12 will indeed benefit the students in making sure that they do not only end up as graduates but individuals who are ready to take on adult responsibilities and loving the career path they find themselves in by virtue of the academic strand they chose.
Classes the following day. And of course, the tiredness of their parents in preparing the daily chores for them, household chores for them. Gabugtaw sila pa, ang teachers gabugtaw, ang parents gabugtaw, ako gabugtaw, assistant principal gabugtaw, pa, department heads. Ang uling resulta. Kaya kung adlaw ka na mabugtaw, may honors ka, sa bawat honor students, kaya lang, wala. Ang stress na dula subong because you have your honors. Your hard work has paid off. Right? Continue. Continue this kind of attitude because you are actually giving great value to all the efforts of your parents. You are giving, great value to all the efforts of your parents. Palakpakan ta ang ating